Welcome to the KnowledgeHubVisit channel. In this video, we will explore the concept of prime factorization. What is prime factorization? It is the process of breaking a number down into a product of prime numbers. We continue splitting the number into smaller factors until every factor is a prime number, at which point we stop. To understand this, we must know what prime numbers are. A prime number has exactly two factors, 1 and the number itself. Examples include 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and 13. Remember, prime factorization is simply breaking a number down into its smallest prime components. There are two common methods to find prime factors, the factor tree method and the division method. The factor tree method involves breaking a number into branches of factors. We start with the number at the top, split it into two factors below, and continue until all numbers at the bottom are prime. Here is an example using 36. Start by writing the number 36 at the top of the factor tree. Break 36 into any pair of factors. Here, 36 equals 6 times 6. Draw two branches from 36 to the numbers 6 and 6. Each 6 is not a prime number, so split it further. That is, we split each 6 into 2 and 3. Since 2 and 3 are prime, we stop. The prime factorization of 36 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3, or 2 squared times 3 squared. Next is the division method. In this approach, we divide the number by the smallest prime that divides it exactly, continuing this process until the quotient reaches 1. The steps for the division method are simple. Start dividing by the smallest prime, continue dividing each subsequent quotient, and finally, note all the divisors used. Think of the division method like peeling an onion, one layer at a time, until you are left with only the core prime factors. For the number 36, since 36 is an even number, divide it by the smallest prime number 2. The quotient is 18, which is also even. Divide it by 2 again. The quotient is 9, which is not divisible by 2, so divide it by the next prime number, 3. The quotient is 3, which is a prime number. Divide it by 3. The quotient is now 1. Since we cannot divide any further, the process is complete. The divisors are 2, 2, 3, and 3. Remember, in the division method, keep dividing by the smallest prime until you reach 1. The numbers you divided by are your prime factors. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content. For more tutorials, worksheets, and resources, visit our blog at knowledgehubvisit.blogspot.com. Thank you for your support.